students, welcome to my class. So today's video is all about experimental demonstrations. Few things you have already studied in theoretical part. Now the time to study them experimentally. So in today's video, I'll do the experimental demonstration to explain the variation of capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with the plate separation, with the plate area, and I'll describe what is the effect of dielectric on the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. You have already studied these things, but experimentally you haven't done. Due to the lockdown. Now you can watch the video and you can enjoy and you can make your concepts strong. In the later part of the video, I'll explain about series and parallel grouping. You have studied laws of series and parallel combinations. For example, if two capacitors are connected in series combination, then their net capacitance is given by 1 upon Cs equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. But today in this video, we will experimentally verify, we will try to experimentally verify whether this formula is experimentally correct or not. Very similarly, we will try to verify the laws of parallel combination, which you are aware of, that Cp equal to C1 plus C2. So let me set the experimental arrangement, then I'll explain about it. So you please watch the video. So I have set the experimental arrangement. So I will tell you about each and every part. This is the digital multimeter. You can see the several scales. So you can measure the resistance, you can measure the inductance, or you can measure capacitance through this. With this multimeter, this is the power on off button. You can press it simply. I have adjusted to 200 picofarad since I need to get the value of capacitance. So I have adjusted to 200 picofarad. These are the plates, two parallel plates which are forming a parallel plate capacitor. And with the help of the scale I can adjust the separation in between them like this. And there you can see the plate of more area with respect to this. So by this I will try to show the variation of capacitance with respect to area. And these are the connection leads. This is the plate which I will insert in between the plate of capacitor. And I will record the reading. So now time to start. Students, there now I will demonstrate what is the effect of plate separation on the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So I make a particular separation for this parallel plate capacitor, and I am getting the value 16.8 picofarad. There you can see 16.8 or 16.9 picofarad. Now I reduce the distance. Once I reduce the distance, you can see that it is coming 31.8 picofarad. That means we can say that on decreasing the distance, the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor increases. So we can conclude that capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is inversely proportional to the separation between the plates. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor is inversely proportional to the separation of the plate. Now initially we will do it with one smaller one, the one which is having smaller area. There you can see the value is coming 47.2 picofarad. With the smaller one, 47.2 picofarad. The value is coming 47.2 picofarad. Now we'll take it out and we'll connect it with a larger one. This one larger one, I made the connections Okay, now with same separation, okay, we are getting 77.6 77.5 picofarad. So capacitance of this capacitor is more. That means capacitance of the capacitor whose area is more, okay, is more. That means capacitance of capacitor having large area, okay, is more. We can say that capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is directly proportional to the, okay, area of the plate. This we can say C proportional to A. Now students, we are going to study the effect of dielectric plate, okay, on the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So in this condition, the capacitance is nearly 41.7 picofarad. Now this is the plate that I am going to insert. There you can see the value is increased. That is nearly 47.3 picofarad. Okay, so we can say that on inserting the dielectric plate, the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor increases. Now students, it's the time to verify laws of series and parallel combination. These two capacitors I have adjusted. Okay, capacitance of this capacitor is nearly 50.9 picofarad. And for the second one, it is 50.50 picofarad nearly. Now I'll try to connect them in series combination. Once I connect them in series combination, there you can see the capacitance becomes 26.7 picofarad. Okay, under experimental error. That means it is satisfying the formula 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. So this is the verification of series grouping, or the formula for net capacitance in series combination, that is 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. Now we will study the verification of parallel laws. Okay, so these two capacitors are to be connected in parallel combinations. So individually we will determine first. For first one, the value is 48.6. For the second one, the value is 45.8. Now I will connect them in parallel combination like this, these 2 points. So it is coming nearly 106.9